You better. I can make you right, maybe now. Come on, boys. Come on. Hold you. Catnap. What the f? Catnap. Why is catnap? Why is catnap?
Yo.
No, it's not funny.
Catnap! Take his back!
Hey, wait a second.
Oh.
I'm gonna turn on your audio to make sure that you actually have her on. Where is she? Where is she? Alright then. If it's gonna be like that, I'm gonna just find her myself. Hey!
What is that?
That's a child.
My child?
I found him.
Here comes the bride. Oh,
Ooh, you should have naughty one.
Oh. Yo.
You better. Hold you. Catnap. What the fuck? Why is catnap? Why is catnap? Why is catnap?
Yo. Wait, why?
No, it's not funny.
Oh, there's people out there.
Like, what the fuck kind of badass voice is that?
take his back!
Hey, wait a second. I'm gonna... Where is she? Alright then. If it's gonna be like that, I'm gonna just find her myself. Hey!
Yep, I'm looking. Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna put some skin on you again.
Where are you, scaredy cat?
Punch. Stitches. Punch. Very good. No, you're gonna stay right there. Cat, get back on that. Get down. Get back on that. Can I get you lay back down, bro?
Let me tell you what to do.
Yeah. That's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to. You know what you're doing, sir?
That's how you revive
shooting
him.
him is gonna make it better.
Oh shit, sir!
Oh,
Please watch me, right? That's not what you're supposed to do.
Wait,
Oh, God.
what's that?
You
You
might
might
want to
want
get out of that
to
position. You might want to get out of that position. There's some very freaky people. You might want to get out of that
Yo,
position.
Twin, he told me to.
Fuck. Okay, so let me brush your teeth real quick so they can be extra white.
I don't have
Okay.
teeth.
Oh god. Oh god.
Huggy? How are you doing, buddy?
You okay?
You look good. You look better. You look looking better days. Hey, we can talk about this, Huggy. Oh, well. Like that.
It's your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn.
What the world?
I'll be right back. I just stepped on something next.
Yep. Oh.
Birds get it his ass straight. Jesus Christ. Run, buddy, run.
Oh, bro, why are you always on top of me?
I just got hit. What the fuck am I saying?
Hey, wait, hang on. Hang on just a minute.
Nah, listen. I've already just got and I've just seen Canna beating the shit out of her big. Someone explain what I've just walked in on.
Don't mind it. Don't mind it, but, you know, we got business to attend to here. Hey, get away. Hey, get over here!
How is Cat still alive?
How are you alive? That's my
How's you alive?
sick of What are you watching, bro? Oh, I know what that one is.
Take that Lily love
beef.
Have you seen the one with Huggy Wuggy?
It's cool to make the angel. Hey, it's your turn.
I say. What is that? Hey, Huggy. I'm gonna steal movement with hand tracking. Come here.
Bye bye. For who? What? I just see you slowly turn towards me. I can't see.
Come on, Chum. Let's get out of here and get some privacy. Chum, put the camera. We need to show you scary.
What the freak is that?
I'll say it. Ollie, I'll say it.
It's time to come home.
I know what the
You somebody drew over kicked up Lily leg braids and it's time to
Okay, bro. Stop.
What is it then? What the fuck happened to Wiggy?
Oh, I did some things to him. I kind of stabbed him and took away his girlfriend. Yeah, that's what I kind of did to him. Also, I kind of stabbed him. You can't escape this. I'm letting you.
Oh, man. You might not touch my boo-boos, I'm eating.
No, I can't allow this.
Go in there. You get the people in there.
You should hurt me.
People, we gotta get Poppy. Huggy, you're coming with me. We gotta get Poppy. Come on, Huggy.
Slow motion high five.
Rusty corn.
Yeah. You can break my arm.
Bobby.
Ow! Ow! Ah! Ah! I broke my arm!
Someone just said that their name is Gooba the Goober.
I was told that they know where the
What is this thing?
Maybe
Oh
up with
no, it's a prototype.
the prototype.
No shit, Sherlock. It's a prototype.
Hello? No.
That's it.
They said
Crafty.
they had red. They don't have any red.
Well,
Crafty.
holy red. You like
Hold
it?
on.
I got red actually.
No, you don't like
Red
Oh
gas.
man, that's okay.
You like the red gas? Get popped. You should
What
get
happened to him?
You still been one now?
See, she has red inside.
Holy shit, he's even taller.
Oh, wait, never mind.
You're being called the N-word, you just realised this, right? Just been called the N-word.
Wait just a darn minute. What did that guy just say? He just
What are you watching, player? Player. Where's my root beer? Give me my root beer, player.
Watching the
Give me my root beer.
He's watching Poppy Playtime for Key Time.
I'm just gonna show him.
Hello?
Hello there. What's good?
Lily's up right.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm gonna do the thing I did in the ending. Come here.
What did you just
I will,
What is he, a bird?
You're not gonna do crap. You're not gonna do anything.
America.
Remember when I did you?
Yo, it's a
That's why I took your
stab me in
arm.
the stomach in a beautiful time.
Yes, I did.
America.
You can stab me any other time, but you have to stab me once.
Better character than you'll ever be.
That was me.
Yo, what?
I can't get in there.
Ass.
Did you just slap me?
Right now.
Nah, you're not
That's
gonna
not
put my
nice.
height, did you?
Now you know what else I'm gonna slap you? Yeah. Nuts. Oh wait, that's not nuts.
What the fuck?
Yo, I know that, bro. Chapter 1.
Escape the circus. Brother.
Hello.
Get out.
Why the hell is he? Oh shit. I want more.
Hey, bro, we technically have the same avatar. Look, look.
Shut the fuck up.
No.
Wrong paper. Sorry, wrong paper. Right paper.
Right paper.
Shut the fuck up. Oh my god.
Yay. Let me get this straight. You're not.
Looks like a picture somebody drew of a kicked up Lily Love braids.
Are you sure you're positive?
Why? Is that like the only meme you have? That's so unfunny.
I'm just kidding.
Thank God.
Your sense of humor is so bad. You've been doing that for the past 2 hours.
curious.
That's up.
I'm gonna ask you about that.
Yeah.
He blocked me.
About today, fuck.
That's penalty.
And this is why.
Nobody's gonna answer that. I lost my Georgia, bro. I lost my
It's a
Georgia.
fake
I lost
soundboard.
my
Please don't
Georgia.
ever come up on me. Ever again.
Why are
Don't
you
ever
bothering
use
me?
your stupid fake soundboard
Wow.
ever again. Use your real voice, you fucking
When
Shut
he
crackhead.
is
up.
playing, it's not even funny.
Yes,
You
it
know,
is.
I mean, you
I'm
don't
gonna
sound
boop you.
funny either.
I'll do
You're
it.
fucking
I'm gonna boop
Australian.
you.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm not Australian, bitch.
Uh-huh.
Shit, I got stuck.
Or, then Britain, I meant British. You're British.
I'm not British.
Did you just
Bullshit.
boot me?
So what the fuck are you?
Idiot. I'm Jamaican.
Oh, okay. That's even worse.
I booped you. Haha. Did you double boot me? Boop. I triple booped you. I'm not comfortable with you. Suddenly, I hate you. Suddenly, I don't like you. Suddenly, I want to touch you. Now, suddenly, I do not want to be anywhere near you.
That's
You're scary. You're scary as shit. Scary as. Oh, not so scary. Oh, the
I
fuck?
just wonder where do you be getting these sounds from, bro? Because if you're gonna use them,
Guy, what you got to say about my laugh?
He has a soundboard, that's what he has.
Yes, but like you gotta make sure you
Oh
know.
shit,
Oh my
Emmy.
god. Brother, I think you need a wheelchair. Oh, hello. I'm back.
You sound like an American again. Can I hear it?
It's
Can I sound like an
Poppy.
American?
He sizing me up.
Oh my
Yes,
god.
Want
What
it to
good, my
sound
guy?
American.
I'm gonna do it.
America.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Actually, I might not do it because you'll probably break
do
it.
it. How about it?
So then, why do you complain?
Chicken.
You were the one that told me to. Yeah, because you, that's got nothing to do with your accent, does it? Yeah, brain.
He died.
Sometimes whenever I speak to an Australian or whatever.
Where's your
or
left hand moving? You're not your right hand.
Both? Okay, bet. So, whenever I talk to certain people like that, not being racist or anything, it's kind of hard to understand what the fuck y'all are saying. So, like, if you were to say, like, you're gonna get a bottle of water, it would be like, a bottle of water. Like, what the fuck am I saying? It sounds like a whole ass goddamn different language whenever you speak.
Australian and British people are two different.
My little
Okay, wow. So, can you get, alright. How are they different? I want to see if you know this. Let's see if you're
The accents
knowledgeable.
both sound the same. I mean, different. My bad.
Okay.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Huh?
Gang gang. Gang
Bro,
gang.
if you're gonna use a soundboard,
Seven.
at least
I'm gonna play
use it,
some-
like, for proper, like, bro, you gotta make sure
I'm gonna play some retro.
That's how you piss people off. I'm giving you fucking tips, bro. Come on, man.
Yeah, but what?
If anything, bro, if anything, go in a fucking Resident Evil world and do that shit. Trust me, they'll get
It's a
pissed off easily,
noob.
bro.
Bro, when I'm
I do that at a furry hideout. They all kick me all the time. It pisses me off.
Furry hideout is like so. There's too many strollers in there.
It's the outsider.
There's too many strollers. You
The
can't.
outsider.
Just go to Hazard Hotel. It's better.
What if we get hacked or what?
I mean, shit. People say that they would dox me, but they never did. Pretty fucking weird.
Husband hotel. Alright.
Ow!
You got this, baby.
Ow! I hit my head on the wall. Ow! Okay, I'm alright. I'm just looking myself in the mirror.
Nah.
Boop. 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 Boop boop. Boop
Yo,
boop
you
boop
guys are
boop. What?
Okay, yo, hi, okay, look. We could play it the easy way.
Kill him.
Did you really just try?
Can I kill him? Can I kill him now?
Way.
Okay, I'm gonna
Kill
kill
me,
you.
that'd be the biggest mistake of your life, trust me. Remember what happened last time you tried to kill me?
I'm gonna need you to please mute your mic, please. We're getting complaints about it. Yeah, people are complaining about you talking too loud. I don't know why.
Too loud?
Yeah, it was that dude right there. This one right here, that bunny.
Where did I always see this?
He was the one who said it.
Nah,
He was saying that you were talking.
Spoke to him.
I'm sorry.
Who is this guy?
Nice one, buddy. Any day now.
Yo.
What is that?
That's a child.
My child?
I found him. But you're not the father.
Who is? She's the father?
No, how can I say him?
Who's the father?
That guy, right there.
That's the father?
This guy here.
Hey,
I don't know what I mean.
I think it's
No,
no.
no.
I don't know. Flashbacks. And I think we're gonna play
Yeah, lucky boy. Kiss.
I'll be Salmon. I'm gonna be Salmon Jack's extracts.
is he?
No, your time. Okay, buddy.
I think you guys got the wrong world.
What have I done to you, bro?
It's okay, bro. Give me a hook.
No. Oh no, I want to ask you something.
What?
The guy just walked up to me asking me to mute my mic because apparently you've just said to him that I'm being too loud.
Bro, me? What happened?
No, some guys just told me that you're telling him that
Yum
I'm
yum
too loud.
yum. I love
I've just
TV
been told to
guys.
mute my mic or leave the game.
Bro, do not do that, bro.
I'm not going to, I'm staying here. He crashed anyway.
That's your child?
Hey, okay.
You're me.
So we got the prototype and we got the doctor, okay?
Oh, he has a gun. Oh my god.
Yo, my hands are stuck.
Yo, how does your... Can I borrow your...
I don't think that's my child.
Let's go, so.
Can you open your
My hands are
mouth?
stuck.
Are you
Oh, there you go.
aggressive just
Now,
like
what's
your
wrong with men,
dad? When you grow up, you're not gonna pay child support to your child, right? Just like me.
When you go
Oh,
up,
shit,
you
I'm
stand
stuck
on
in
that
a
stand, I'm gonna
position.
smack your fucking face in. Anyways,
I'm stuck. I'm stuck here. There we go.
these. Nah. I'm gonna shoot this kid. Yo, we're gonna play a game of hide and
I don't
seek.
think he has a.
Yo, we're gonna play a game of hide and seek. If I find you, you get shot.
What?
10, 9.
Don't become
8.
mommy long legs, bro.
Well, actually, I'm shooting, not eating. Let's go.
You died. Oh. That's good. I meant, no, it's not good. Well, it's. Okay. Why'd you hit me?
What happened?
Who said that? Whose kitty ass said that?
Yo, dog day.
It was the outsider.
Touch a little kid? What?
Man, I'm
Saying
gonna.
he's on it. Okay, that did not sound right. There's something wrong with dog day.
Yeah, I'm glad you.
I don't think Kissy's okay.
Dog day.
You okay?
You're a good boy. Go kill him.
Nah.
Hey, dog day. Need
Yeah,
some
so
legs?
I'm just gonna shoot that guy since he said he's glad that dog day's legs got off.
You need
Why don't you
a
have a
leg?
grab pack? Lost it?
You cannot punch me.
Even I got a grab pack.
Oh shit, now he has a
I
wheelchair.
can fly too, y'all. Yo,
No,
Huggy
now I feel
Wuggy!
bad for hurting up.
Huggy Wuggy!
I'm not even say it.
Huggy! Huggy!
I thought of something racist.
Who are you laughing at?
I think he's
Holy
using his...
shit.
Well, there's just 3 Huggy Wuggies. I mean,
3? Where's the other one?
the fact that there's these is crazy. They're just
Oh my god.
I mean, all three Huggy Wuggies are pretty chill.
Oh my god, it's another one.
Everyone is here. How exciting.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Hey man, you have any spares?
Yes, so. Right. I'm scared.
Yeah, I can't do it.
Who said that?
You're too tall.
Okay, I'm changing back to Doom Slayer.
The Huggy Wuggy.
Dog day. Dog day.
That's my
Good
child.
boy. Dog day, I'm dog day.
He's autistic just like me.
Dog day now. He's not dog day, I'm dog day.
No.
You fly, go kill him.
What?
That's right.
What? That's my me. He me.
I'm dog day.
Me. My child.
Easy kill.
Here's some head pep.
It's just like me. Yes, he has a hand. And I don't.
What is that laugh?
Hey man,
Oh my god, you're
Ain't nobody pulling up for the safe haven no more when Lily first came out.
I knew it would be a boy.
Yeah, buddy, you can't have him.
Why not?
Because it's a no. Where'd the little kid go? With the little
Come on, man. We're in the same
Oh no, why is there so many prototypes?
Baby son, just copy my avatar.
Oh my god. I'm scared.
Whoa.
No, hold on, let me turn this on.
There's your father. It's your father.
Go catch it. You skinny as hell, boy.
That's your father, man.
It's prototype.
Can you stop eating me? It's not very.
Okay. Kissy, I don't think he likes you hitting him. Or her. Whatever gender you are.
Fuck it.
I'm gonna
Such as penis.
Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, by nervous.
I'm not a
No.
fairy.
We're not gonna stop hitting both. Hell yeah. Fuck you!
I used to have an answer for that. I used to have
Ripped off my legs.
Did anyone?
No, I got this.
Not having legs, and now I don't have legs. What happened to it? He took my legs. He just took my legs. He took.
Rawr.
You wanna know?
Be nice to know.
You ready?
Is he gonna kill me?
What happened?
Maybe.
Oh, you were going to kill. Kill the player! Kill the player! Kill the player!
Kill this thing first.
I must ascend to God.
Kill this thing first. I'm not trying to get
Goodbye,
no, there's
Chuck.
two standing doggos.
What did
I am big dog. Oh.
He's a big doggo.
What's up, guys? How's your
What
day
are you doing
going?
with his arm? Sorry.
Coming up here.
Are you autistic?
Look at this.
Yeah.
Way off. It would have been better if you said Lemonhead. Holy shit, I have 2 kids. You holy shit, and my kid has a gun. No, don't touch. No, please. Yes, that's daddy's arm. That is daddy's arm. That is daddy and mommy's arm. Please let me have that. And Scott.
Oh, yeah, kissy.
I'm gonna keep. Very nice.
Little robot.
No, please don't have 3 children. That's enough.
Too loud, Huggy. Do it.
No, it's a Killer! This one. Guys, it's just me.
Wait, hold on, no. How do you get a voice changer?
I suggest you just stop.
Pull the taxi, yeah.
Hitting me. It's not very
Can you
nice.
tell me how to get a voice changer?
No one gives a
Interesting.
Whose big back is in the way?
Finally. Pull the tape?
I got an idea.
I'm about to make Prototype jealous. Hey, Prototype, behind you.
Father! I found a gun with my arm.
Our child found a gun.
My arm.
I bet I can make him jealous. Make him jealous. Make him jealous.
Not even how my crazy arms look. Look, they're not like a spider. Let us do it. And how did you even get Kissy's arms? He has arms. I thought you like the Huggy's arm. Huggy also has his other arm.
Oh my god! Our kids are massive.
I'm fat.
Yes.
Wait, the avatar search. Not much. I can change.
My boy, depending on
When I want.
Yeah, our babies are like Pokemon. They can fucking that makes sense.
very
We're gonna eat until you fall.
You know,
You ain't no Huggy.
you're not doing anything. No.
You shit yourself, Prototype. You smell like shit.
Because of you.
Something smells like shit.
Where'd he go?
Did you shit yourself? Little Huggy. Yes. You sure? Is there a stinky diaper in there?
I shit myself. You have to get a PC.
Okay, we don't have to check her diaper. We don't have to check her diaper. Just put the gun down. Down.
Wakey, brother. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
Who would I choose to help children?
I'm the youngest, brother. I'm the youngest.
Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered.
Huggy, is this you? I can morph.
Yeah, that's me. Can I have it?
I can turn big. Can I have the avatar? Can I have a mini Huggy?
That was mean.
Nah, just
Can I have the big Huggy?
if that was mommy, I swear to God, bro. Oh, yo, hit me out, hit me out.
Oh, holy shit.
I just got my legs back.
Brother, you hit like a girl. This is the brother. You hit like a girl, boy. What you say? What do you think we should say?
In the nuts.
Hey, you know what? You hit like a girl. You hit like a mother.
Oh my god, it's the Prototype. Time to make somebody jealous.
You can't stop us.
Move out of the way. I wanna hit the Prototype.
Yeah, that's why you have no teeth, bro. Hello. You don't
Oh my god. You did shit your
I
pants.
can open my mouth bigger than yours. No, I didn't. I didn't.
You didn't shit your pants.
No, I didn't. Fine,
Yeah, I know you.
Wait, I'm turned blue.
Go to your room.
I become.
Oh, you're probably my long lost brother.
He's ugly. No, your side. No, your side. Your side. Fucky wuggy. Hey, Kissy.
Prototype, I can make you
I'm gonna
jealous.
shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you, Prototype. Prototype, I'm gonna shoot
Kissy, you wanna make the prototype jealous?
Baby Huggy! Baby Make the prototype
Okay.
jealous. That's why he killed you.
Prototype, get your ass over here. I'm gonna make you jealous.
No, but like,
okay.
I'm gonna need your arm. Where are you? Okay, I wanna be! I wanna be! Okay, Baby Huggy, come on. Baby Huggies. Come on.
Holy shit.
Somebody
outside of it.
I'm a killer again. I'm gonna need you, Candy, if you come on. Your hands are fighting right now.
There's two.
Not him though. He's ugly.
Prototype, like what you see.
Everybody go get free candy. He says there's free candy. Let's go get it.
That.
He calls us ugly. He calls us ugly. Free candy.
Free candy.
Free candy. He calls us ugly. He calls us ugly. Free candy.
Did you go?
Where's the free candy?
Who said there was free? No free candy. No free candy.
He called us ugly.
Boop.
Yeah, that wasn't me. That wasn't me.
Cause what?
Hey,
Oh shit.
Papa, I am injured. I am severely injured. I am severely injured.
Good. Why is there so many huggies?
Again. No, I'm dead. I'm injured. I am injured.
Oh my god.
Huggy, look at your son. He's ugly. Look at your son. He's ugly.
Come here.
That's your one son that's ugly. Yeah, he's
What did you Loki, I think all my kids are ugly.
How did you create such a monster?
What are you talking to?
no, me.
Why are you looking up? Oh, he's talking to my cousin. Holy shit, there's so many of me. Oh my god, I'm like a famous person or something.
It wasn't me, it was him, it was anonymous.
Huggy Wuggy.
Baby Huggy. Web.
Oh,
Apple
you're my
candy,
long lost cousin.
Apple candy, your hands are fucking fighting right now. Come here to get this.
This is my sister.
This ain't food, Kissy. This ain't food.
Wait, where the clothes? Where the Huggy Wuggy go?
What the fuck? What did I do? Well, too bad. They tried eating it.
Hey, fuck you, Huggy.
Oh, please! Wait!
Wait, stop it!
Kissy. I'm gonna go.
Oh my god, it's mommy.
Have you seen another mommy long legs? Oh god, I'm dead.
Yeah,
I thought I killed you.
I've seen it. I swear to god, if you touch me one more time.
This huggy is actually very pistol. Yo, I need to
Thank god. He's gone. I don't have to worry about that motherfucker anymore.
Is this my sister?
No.
Hey, where's Baby Huggy?
That's
I need
I'm Kissy.
Shut up. No, you're not.
Fuck you, bitch.
Hey, Baby Huggy, hold up, let me put this away. Do you know where my hand is?
Kissy and huggy, bitch.
Listen, if you help me find my hand, I'll give you candy. Gay. Wait, what's that sound I hear? Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, hey, Kissy.
Baby, huggy.
Do you want to tell me how you made a sun? Look at your sun over
Swear to
here.
God, the cat
Baby
was
Huggy,
trying to
can you
jump
help me
on
find my hand for some candy?
I'll give you give me $1 million and I'll do it.
I just help me find my candy in my hand first.
Okay.
I'm not talking about the flare gun. I'm talking about the Omni hand.
I'll kill the prototype because I found him.
Can somebody help me find my Omni hand?
Just because I can't, just because my mouth is always open doesn't mean I'm gonna
Hey, don't you hurt the boy? Why'd you have my Omni hand?
I'm so small now. I've degrown.
Eating now. Just eat this little fella. Not you. You must scale up to stay on this planet.
Oh, I'm catnap now. I'm gonna push you off the wheelchair. I'm catnap now. I'll push you off the wheelchair. I'm catnap now.
Hey, what? I fish man. You should go with that.
Hold up, I'm coming. No, you're chill. I'll do that, you're chill.
I'm the IRS coming to take your taxes.
I said I wasn't paying
Just
child
trying to
support.
Huggy. Hey, get your
Yep. What the hell? You may now kiss the bride. You may now kiss the bride. You may now kiss the bride. You may now kiss. Here comes the bride. Oh, just a baby. From her